Now, for a few moments, I close my eyes and forget who I am, what I normally do. I forget what is in my life. I take a deep breath, allow the body to relax, allow the mind to calm down. Now I can slightly open my eyes if necessary and focus on any breakthroughs I see, such as the reflection of light on any surface. I put the image on my bird flying on the screen of my mind. Now the bird is me. I fly above everything without any effort. The breeze helps me and I don't need to flap my wings. I let myself flow. Everything is in my sight, but nothing catches me. I cross mountains, I cross valleys, I fly above the sea. I don't get tired. I see everything so small, so insignificant. Even from here, there are no conflicts. I am the subtle but power bird that can take flight and understand the limited temporarily of any problem. They look so small from up here. Now I take a deep breath and go back to where I start from. I keep that feeling of lightness of the bird in me. I remember how small the problems are. Contemplate from up here there. They are nothing. They are temporary. They will pass. Om Shanti.